Hey guys, welcome to the video. I'm Braden with Draco Precision Japan, and today we're looking at video 2 in a series of videos about the Draco Centre Diff Set. If you haven't already, please check out part 1 where I give an overview and go through the installation into the Savage Flux HP. Okay, so in today's video we are looking at the center differential build. So here we have the Draco components, the 52 spur, the outdrives, and the 13 by 19 by 4 bearings. Now these are hardened steel components, all right? And here we have the stock HPI differential components. I will put some part numbers here on the screen for you if you want to check those out. So let's build it. Okay, so the diff is assembled. You can see I have the gears inside, I have the outdrive, the bearing is here, right? And then on this side we have the spur gear and the outdrive with the bearings. So this is the 8 by 16 by 5 bearing, 13 by 19 by 4 bearing. Here we have the 10 by 16 by 5 bearing and the 13 by 19 by 4 bearing here. So what is left to do now is put these together, and you can use the same screws that are included with the diff case when you buy. Okay, and let me go ahead, assemble this and show you the completed diff. Okay, so now the diff is complete. You can see all the components are there. This is now ready to go into the vehicle. Okay, so there is also the option of using the Draco diff case. This is a two-piece design. It has 4 aluminium plates, hard anodized, and the case is also hard anodized 7075 with a steel cap. There is a video of how to assemble this. I'll put a link in the description. Okay. Alright, so next we are going to put this into the vehicle. Okay, so we are ready to install into the vehicle. This is the Savage Flux HP made by HPI Racing, and we have the Draco diff plates installed. There is a motor in there with a pinion on it. Okay, so I'd like to talk about dog bone shimming for a moment. What I mean by that is adding O-rings or adding fuel tubing to the cup joint and the outdrive to keep the dog bone from moving too much and to keep it centered. Okay, so with the Flux HP, you will need 3 O-rings. So 1 in the outdrive and 2 in the cup joint on the rear. The front dog bone is fine, you don't need them. Okay, so I will leave a product number just here for you so you can check it out. Okay, so first of all, I will start by making sure the bearings are okay. And then we can install the front dog bone first. So put that there, and then it can sit into. Okay. Now we need to put 1 dog bone here. This is a little fiddly, so let me just do this and come back. Okay. So I've got the O-rings positioned. You can also use fuel tubing if you wish. I got 1 here in the outdrive and 2 in the cup joint. So I will get the rear dog bone, put that into the cup joint first, kind of push it around to make sure those O-rings fit right at the end there. They push right back. Then I will grab the diff and put this in there. Okay. Okay, so now we will put the lower plates into the vehicle here. So this is the rear. This is the front. Okay, and then I will just screw these down loosely. Now, sometimes the screw doesn't line up, so just come back and then go down, okay? Until you find it. There we go. Same here. Okay. And I would use blue Loctite on these screws because you do not want them coming out, right? Okay, so now I'll go back again, give them a tighten. There we go. Okay, Now it's installed. So there you go, you can see it's installed. Alright, so now I'm going to fit my ESC on the top and get my radio in there, get my battery boxes on there, and I'm going to run this. Alright, so that's how you do the center differential. Thank you very much for watching. Check out my store and pre-order the set if you're interested. I'm looking for 25 orders. Once I reach that number, I will start production. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.